Deborah with Aroma Delight, and today I am doing an unboxing of some goodies here. These are from Soap for Love from Renee. Now we did a collaboration on the 1st of March, and we also did a soap exchange and whatever else you want to do. So I'm here to unbox Renee's gift. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here. Oh, so excited here to see what it is. Oh my goodness. I do have a confession, but I'll leave that to Renee. She knows about it already. Oh my goodness. Okay. Feel like a little kid in the candy store here. Okay, so let's see here. I'm like really excited here. Renee, she is, I don't know, she's awesome. She's amazing. She doesn't sell her soaps, but she donates them. Now she do have on her YouTube channel, she is looking for subscribers. I'm dropping stuff here. She's looking for subscribers, so if you want to be a blessing to Renee, just go over if you haven't already subscribed to her channel and subscribe, because she is an amazing lady and I just love her. I feel like I've been knowing her for a long time. Okay, I don't know if I'm doing this justice here, but I am really working my way to get into this box here. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I don't know where to begin. This is her card. It says Soap for Love. Oh my goodness. And oh my goodness, I hate to unwrap. I hope you can see it here. I'm just going to go ahead and take these beautiful little ribbons off, and I will be keeping these ribbons. I'll probably keep everything because, oh my goodness. Oh, she's got it nicely packed here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at all the goodies here. Oh my goodness. She also has a card here, and it says Deborah. It's a beautiful card. It says thank you. Oh, and it's kind of personal, so. Oh, thank you, Renee. Oh, I love everything. Oh my goodness. These are pumpkin pie cheat tea. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. So that's one of the things there. Oh my goodness, we got a soap. It says Drunken Soap Collaboration. So this is one of the soaps from our collaboration. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Renee. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And here I got a little sample soap. Says, oh, I don't got my glasses on. Handcrafted RT soap. Don't got my glasses. It says beer, and it has beautiful gold mica lines in it. It's just, oh, that is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I feel like I won the lottery here. And here I have some saz, it's olive oil and beeswax, and it's for dry skin relief. Oh, and it smells so good. Thank you. I can't thank you enough, Renee. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. Oh my goodness, I've got packs and packs, oh my goodness, of goodies here. These are anti-seeds. These are seeds that I can use in my soap. This is organic corn silk. Oh my goodness. I've used this in my soap before, and it makes the soap feel really silky. I have some turmeric powder that I can use for natural coloring. Oh my goodness. I have some activated charcoal. Oh, Renee, you outdid yourself. I have some raw organic, I think this is cocoa powder. Yeah. I have some beetroot powder. Oh, I've been wanting some beetroot powder. Oh my goodness. I won the lottery in this sense. This is awesome. I have some aconite root powder. Oh, I just got all kind of stuff. Some spirulina powder. I'm not saying it right, but it's green, and I've seen this before, and I did want to buy some to use some to make some naturals from natural colors, and that's what these are. These are pretty much all natural colors. And this is alfalfa leaf powder. Oh my goodness, it has this beautiful kind of an olive green color. This is so beautiful. Look at all these gifts. Oh my goodness. And then I have in here, it looks like it says tea time. This is a nice, well, I gotta open it. I gotta open everything. That's me. I've gotta open it, get into it before time. Oh my goodness, look at the little cute bow there. Let's see, how do I do this without damaging it? Well, I just have to tie it back, but I know I'm gonna be using this. So anyway, this is a beautiful little, it says tea time. It's a little tea, I don't know the proper name for these, but you put your loose tea in them and then you just put it down into your cup. So this is so beautiful. Thank you again, Renee. Like I said, Renee doesn't sell her soaps, but if you want to get in touch with her, if you go to her website, Soap for Love by Renee, you can find out how to go about, maybe if she wants to sell, I don't know, but I know she donates all her soaps to charity, to the homeless shelter, to the veterans. This lady does amazing things. So if you really want to be a blessing to her, go over and subscribe to her channel. And in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy all these nice gifts. Thank you again, Renee. Much love to you. I've fallen in love with these collaborators from YouTube. I mean, oh, I can't say enough about them. One of my coaches on YouTube said, you got to find your audience. You got to find the people who are going to come on and want to be a part of what you're doing. And I truly believe all the YouTube fans and friends that I've met from the soap world to the beauty, cosmetic world, to the losing weight, because I have a lot of them. I found my audience, and I'm so glad I have. Thank you again. Much love.